Hey guys, so the next part of our triangle for this week is triangle angle sum. Okay, so there's a theorem, which is like a rule, okay, that helps explain things for us. And this rule says that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is equal to 180. So what's that saying is the sum, so when we add all of the so there's three angles, right? Interior means inside the triangle. Okay, so when we add all three inside angles, it's always going to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so let's jump right into the questions. So we are given triangles, and there's a degree that's missing. So what you're going to do is you're just going to add them up and solve. So the way we set this up is we would have, for number one, we have, let's put it up here. We have 37 plus 27 plus V is equal to 180. And the reason I'm setting it up like this, okay, is that they're all, when we add them up, remember the rule told us when we add up all the inside angles, it's going to equal 180. Okay, so we do 37 plus 27, and that gives us 64. Bring the V, bring the 180. And now we have a one-step equation, so we're going to subtract 64 because it's positive. Okay, then we're left with V is equal to 180 minus 64 is 116 degrees. Okay, so 116 degrees goes there. Okay, over here, we're just going to add it up. So we have 54 plus 63 plus S is equal to 180. We add 54 and 63, and I get 117 plus S equal to 180. Subtract the 117. Okay, so S is equal to 180 minus 117. This is for number 5, okay, is 63. So 63 degrees. Make sure you put your degree sign. Okay, we're talking about an angle. Let me zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. There we go. Okay, number 2. We have 117, 30 degrees, and H. So I'm going to set that up. I have 117 plus 30 plus H equal to 180. We add 117 and 30, we get 147. Plus H is equal to 180. We subtract the 147 from both sides. Remember, what you do to one side, you do to the other. So H is equal to 180 minus 147 is 33 degrees. So we put 33 degrees here. Okay, over here, we have 36 plus 108 plus E equals 180. Okay? So 36 plus 108 is 144, plus the E is equal to 180. We're going to be subtracting the 144 from both sides. So E is equal to 180 minus 144 is 36 degrees. So 36 degrees. Okay? 4 more. So we have 58, 56, and T. So we have 58 plus 56 plus T is equal to 180. So 58 plus 56 is 114 plus T is equal to 180. So we're going to subtract the 114 from both sides. T is equal to 180 minus 114 is 66 degrees. So F is 66 degrees. Okay? It doesn't matter what the triangle looks like. It's always going to equal 180. So we have this one, we have 52 plus 71 plus R, okay, is equal to 180. 52 plus 71 is 123 plus R equals 180. Okay, my one-step equation, so I'm going to subtract 123. Okay, so now I have R is equal to 180 minus 123 is 57 degrees. Okay? So if you look at these, they're all different. So like from our lesson before, we would know that this would be a scalene triangles, all of them, so far, okay? Because none of them are equal. None of the angles are equal to each other. None of them are 90 degrees, okay? Let's look at the last two. This one, however, is a 90 degrees, so this would be a right triangle. Okay, so remember this is 90 degrees. So we have 90 plus the 61 plus B is equal to 180. We do 90 plus 61, we get 151 plus B is equal to 180. I'm going to be subtracting 151 from both sides. B is equal to 180 minus 151 is 29 degrees. Okay, over here we have 49, 82, and A. So 49 plus 82 plus A equals 180. Okay, so I'm subtracting, and that's an A. Okay, 49 plus 82, I was getting ahead of myself, 131 plus A equals 180. Subtract the 131 now. A is equal to 49 degrees. Just like that, okay?